So this is the week where we start to get what most of us think about clinical gait analysis. It's where we're going to start about the kinematics of walking, and in particular we're going to study a kinematic model. The kinematic model is essentially what allows us to go from measuring marker positions that we learnt about last week to being able to look at joint angle graphs. It never ceases to amaze me how many gait analysts just simply don't understand the kinematic models they're using, or don't understand them very well. If you don't understand the model, then you won't be able to place markers well. You won't know how to adapt your technique if you come across any patients with any abnormalities. You won't be able to detect artifacts in the data, and you run the risk of making significant mistakes when you come to the interpretation phase. All in all, you need a pretty good understanding of the model you're using to be a competent clinical gait analyst. That understanding takes some time to build up. As with the previous week's learning exercises, we want to introduce you to the basic concepts this week as a foundation for what you're going to learn in the future. We need to talk about a range of models because different students will be using different models in different gait analysis services, and so that you can adapt if you're asked to work somewhere else or if you need to interpret some data that's been captured with a different model. From an educational point of view, you can also learn a lot about your model by comparing it with others. As with other weeks, you will be challenged by the amount of material. In fact, we've added some optional material to this week, and it'll be virtually impossible to get through the whole body that we've made available. Focus on the model that you use and starting to understand it more deeply. Don't completely ignore the other models though. As I've said, comparing your model with them will lead you to a deeper understanding of the issues and make you a better clinical gait analyst.